Life is immersion, an incubator, a sandbox, a place to brew ideas. Nature and art come together to reveal our essence, to allow the self to grow, to flourish, to create magic. Art is magic. Technology is magic. Connecting with people is magic. Connecting to nature is magic. Connecting to yourself is magic. Healing is magic. Collaboration is magic. Not a dream, but a reality. Not escapism, but actualism. Not a secret, but an invitation. Not paradise, but Gaia. It is a new way of living. It is a new form of society. A creative tribe. A world of wonder and exploration. A world of magic built by creatives for creatives.
Aflora means to manifest a quality or sentiment that was hidden or forgotten. Inspired by my grandmother, who introduced me to painting when I was a little girl, Aflora's earthy vanilla sunset pink comes from a poem she wrote me. In the poem, she says, "Rosa es el color del amor, la ilusión, los sueños y las flores." My grandmother taught me to see the world through this rose-colored lens. The beginning of my career in New York involved exploring my inner world. Through collaborating with some of the most talented artists and creators, I expanded my work into public art that invited people of all walks of life to participate in a collective experience intended to share love, illusion, and dreams through art. Aflora is the next manifestation of this, and all that is embodied in the color pink. Aflora is a playground, a sculptural wonderland, for people to explore their senses, their self-expression, to ignite something in their hearts they will always know is theirs. I invite you to get your hands dirty, your toes sandy, to immerse yourself in a wealth of experiences and prepare yourself to delight in the wonders of this mystical environment.